In this video, I would like to show you how you can use a single WhatsApp number in different phones or devices. So what you're required to do, you just follow these steps to the letter so that you don't run into kaput. So what you're required to do is just follow the normal login process, just click next and then agree to continue as we usually do. But don't make a mistake and enter your number here. Since when you enter your number here, you just run into kaput. You just need to click here where we have this three-dotted icon in the upper right hand side of the WhatsApp login interface. I have emphasized that don't enter your number here again. Click it there. Then click the option named as link as a companion device. After clicking the option, a QR code will appear here. So you just get into your previous WhatsApp, which you want to link it to your new phone. So basically, let me get back. I have two WhatsApp in my phone. I will just show you how you do in your previous WhatsApp. So my previous WhatsApp is here, which I want to log into my second device, which is hypothetically the one which you have used there. You just need to click this three-dotted icon in your previous WhatsApp or the WhatsApp which you are actually using currently. Then click the settings option in your old phone, Then after clicking settings, the QR code option is usually located adjacent to your contact name. It is here. There you see the QR code option there. Then click scan the code. So you use this scanner to scan the QR code which is here, which is basically here where we have link as a companion. I have chosen to use my device, my single device to demonstrate. Then I will use my second device to show you how we shall log into the new phone. I already have another device, that is which we will use to scan this code. So I hope you have understood the process. In your old phone, what you do basically, in order to scan that code which will appear in your new phone, just click this three-dotted icon in the upper right hand side of your WhatsApp. Then after clicking this three-dotted icon, you just get into your phone settings. Then click the QR code. You will not come to where we have my QR code. You just scan where we have scanned the QR code. I hope the message is delivered home. Then let's get back into our QR code in our new phone, which you want to link it with our previous device. Then I use my previous device to scan this QR code, and you see the miracle which will read as logged in our new phone using the same number. So let me scan the code. Hopefully I think it will not disturb me to scan. I hope my internet is good today. Let's see. So we have scanned this code using my previous device which I'm using, so that now I can link both of them and be allowed to use these different use my single number in two different phones. So this is my new phone which I wanted to link it. Let me link. Let me scan again. So just click link. Let me link now. Now we are good. So basically it will now start the process of loading the chat which is in my previous device to my new phone, which will take a bit while based with your internet speed. Internet speed is another question of debate. So if your internet is slow, you experience some lags. So let it complete initializing, and after it have completed initializing, now you'll be able to get the WhatsApp in your older device into the new phone. You can see. Okay. Now I have been able to simply link these two devices simply and now I am my old WhatsApp. I'm already having it in my previous phone, and it is now in my new phone, and I can be able to text and use these two different phones in different places and different locations safely. So the process is simple like that. The process is just notice that we are not logging in using the number. We are just linking these contacts, and we scan the QR code, and we are done. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumb up and also a subscription so that you not miss out any of our future alluring content like this. Thank you, and bon appetit.